On November 6, Korea, helmed by CEO Baek Jong-won, successfully debuted on the securities market. The company's stock opened at 46,351, exceeding its initial public offering IPO price of 34,01 by 12,351 and climbed to a high of 64,501. A stock listing marks the moment a company begins trading its shares on a stock exchange, enabling public investors to buy and sell ownership stakes in the business. What does it mean for a company to be listed on the stock market? What does it mean for a company to be listed on the stock market? A stock listing is the process of registering a company's shares for trading on the stock market. Securities, which represent rights documented on paper, can be bought and sold at market value. Listing a company's shares allows them to be traded as products on the securities market. Listing requirements for KOSPI and KOSDAQ. Korea's stock markets include KOSPI and KOSDAQ, with KOSPI serving as the country's primary stock market. Companies seeking to list on the KOSPI market must undergo a rigorous review process conducted by the Korea Exchange, adhering to strict legal standards and procedures. Specifically, the company must have been in business for at least 3 years, have raised equity capital of at least 30 billion won, have a total number of shares to be listed of at least 1 million, and have recent revenue of at least 100 billion won, and a 3-year average revenue of at least 70 billion won. On the other hand, KOSDAQ is a stock market for raising capital for companies that are not yet big enough in size or revenue to be listed on the general stock market, but still have excellent growth potential. Therefore, rather than large companies, KOSDAQ lists more promising small and medium-sized companies and venture companies with high growth potential in areas such as IT, software, bio, and culture. The requirements for listing on KOSDAQ are much less strict than those for KOSPI. Listing process and public share offerings. Companies aiming to go public on the stock market must begin by selecting a specialized securities or financial firm to act as their representative organizer. This firm handles the submission of essential documents, including a listing contract that outlines obligations, like fee payments. The process involves a preliminary review, during which the organizer conducts inspections and ensures compliance with listing requirements. At this point, the company can proceed with the public subscription process, in which the public purchases a portion of the company's shares in advance, before they are listed on the stock market for the first time. Generally, the price of public subscription of shares is relatively low, and many people participate in the process to profit from the market price difference.